Here is how you write a song with a musical orgasmic feeling to it, that intensity of, wow, that was a powerful piece of music. And if you dig this, musicalorgasms.com is my website. According to Tom Birkenmeyer, this is how it's done. Number 1, you learn it as it is. Number 2, you fuck it. So I'll give a demonstration. So here is as it is. I'll just play a major scale in the key of C. So C major, as it is. So that's as it is. Now I'm gonna fuck it, and I'll give some explanation. Here he goes. So you kind of catch what I did there. I learned it as it is. I added my own nuance, my own flavor flav, all kinds of different elements to it straight from the heart. But first you have to learn the technique for the purpose of being able to fuck it later. The better you learn it as it is, the technique and all those things, the proper way and so forth, the more you're going to be able to fuck it and make it your own. And that's how you create musical orgasms when you're writing your own music. Learn it as it is and then fuck it. And then you get a musical orgasm. That tension piece followed by at the very end that resolve, that's what ultimately creates those musical orgasm feelings. Music is really a series of tensions followed by resolves, or tensions followed by releases. It's a powerful device for songwriting, a very natural device, and you can make them, some are more intense than others. So I hope you enjoyed that. My website is musicalorgasms.com. I give away my music for free. I've got lots of original stuff. Take it easy. Share this, please do. And subscribe to my YouTube. Can't forget about that. I'm monetized on YouTube, and it's a way for me to get paid. It's a way for me to keep giving my stuff away for free and still getting paid. Subscribe to my YouTube and engage with me. Bye for now.